Behind them, single file, alongside the wall.
Thank you.
Thank you. Single file, on this middle line.
Starting line right here, follow the center line.
Behind them, single file.
Keep your single file lines and follow me. Let's go. I had 2 single file lines. There still should be 2 single file lines. Who was still part of this line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you in unit 5? 2, 2, and 1. You're supposed to be over here with them. Yes, because you were part of that line. Your unit of 3?
Yes, sir.
Blue. The 2 who can't follow instructions? Red. Red with those 2, unfortunately. What? You'll be on blue with these 3. And you 2 make some room. They need to be on red as well. You still have more red you can use. You don't need to be so green. How many? 2.
4.
And 2. 2 and 2. Orange. You 4, silver. Now, remember the color codes to which you've been assigned. They'll be very important during your interrogation. I would not forget them if I were you. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you couldn't even follow the instructions? Follow me. You got confused as to which line you were in. So far, your level of intellect is far below average. What's your color code? Someone even had to tell you your color code. Blue, get inside. Red, go. Silver.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Still here? I was coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recortos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
R5, he's gonna get you guys out of here.
Come on, R5. Hey, pan.
down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, get out! Wait! Go to the prisoner!
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Hate these two droids anyway.
Oh my god.
There they are! Fire!
These three pods just below us. Take the list down. Hurry!
I said down! This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction.
Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for copies. Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him...
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
Should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
So this is Batuu Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, Hurry.
Rescue Bravo here. We have eyes on 2 pods descending.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Back! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.